Hey guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new wake tower bar on your CFMOTO Z10. For the first step, we'll go ahead and fasten our mount brackets to the OEM roll cage. You'll use your M8x20 flange head bolts. When you're installing your mount brackets for the wake tower bar, you want to make sure that the threads are clean. You want to be sure that you can hand thread in your bolt. If you have any debris or paint in your threads, you'll want to chase it with either a chase tap or just a fastener so that you get all the debris out before you tighten it down, as you could risk stripping out the bone. You'll come on in, thread into the OEM bungs in the roll cage. You want to make sure and leave these loose until we get the bar in place. Once we have everything where we like it and the wake tower bar installed, we can tighten everything down. Here I'm going to go ahead and install our passenger side bracket. You can see it'll be labeled with a P, and the driver side will be labeled with a D. I'll go ahead and snug these up with a 13mm socket. Remember, we'll want to leave them loose, but it'll help our assembly if we don't have them necessarily this loose. For the next step, we'll go ahead and fasten our actual wake tower bar to our mount brackets. As you can see here on the bottom of our wake tower bar, we've provided micro jointed knockouts so that if you want to wire your wake tower bars and run the wire through your wake tower bar, we can clean it up and it'll be a nice clean finish, and all you have to do is knock this out with a hammer and a punch. With the help of a friend, we'll go ahead and install it. It's easiest if you put one side in the brackets and come under the other side. Like you see, it's easiest if you put one side in the mounting bracket and come underneath the mounting bracket on the other side. You'll use your M8x65mm button head located in the hardware kit and your M8 flange nylon lock nut to fasten your wake tower bar to the mount brackets. With all of our fasteners started, we can go ahead and tighten up our wake tower bar using a 5mm Allen wrench and a 13mm socket before we return and tighten up our mount brackets with the same 13mm socket. With your hardware tight, you're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab wake tower bar on your CFMOTO Z10.